Kusile bogogo, kusile bomkhulu, makhosi amakhulu, ngiyabingelela. Undaba ezitha lokhulumayo, inkosazana yamanzi eza nemvula, Gitawu yaLegaga. Ngiyanibingelela balaleli emakhaya. Namhlanje futhi ngiyachubeka ngesihloko samakhosi. Kodwa namhlanje ngizothinta amakhosi wezulu. Amakhosi abroad, bantwana basekhaya, akusukuthi makuthiwa unesimo samakhosi kamoya ukuthandazi kuphela, yabona, umlozi, yonke lento lesiyaziyo engingazisho ngaphambilini. Amakhosi abroad ngoba lokhu yakudala emandulo wawubathola izangoma ezazikwazi ukuthi zikutshele ukuthi namhlanje okusasa izulu lizona ngesicotho noma ngenyanga eso elangeni eliso kuzoba khona ikhukhula noma hayi khona kuzoba nesomiso esizoba isikhathi esingaka size sifikelele kuphi. So amakhosi kamoya ngathi yini thina swabiza sazi igama elithi ama-astrology, and ama-astrologist akusinto eze nendlebe ikhanyilanga abamhlophe. Lento ibivele ikhona kwasemandulo. Abadala bebakhona ukuhlaziya iweather, bebakhona ukusho ukuthi kuzobe nesomiso, bakhona nokukhuphuka intaba bese bayokhuleka, bakhulekela imvula or bakhulekela isimo esizoza sibhidlize ngesimo sikamoya. Namhlanje-ke ngizothinta amakhosi aphezulu. Amakhosi aphezulu ngizakhuluma nje ukuthi they are izinto okufana nabo moon, sun, stars, yonke lento le amakhosi aphezulu lawo, where you learn isimo sonke esemvelo. Amakhosi amakhulu nakubona labantu abanokufunda lapha ama-weather, bakhuluma ukuthi kusasa imvula izoba so, kusasa kuphi kuyachisa, isimo sokoma sikuphi, isomiso sinjalo. Amakhosi aphezulu lawa phecelezi abelungu abawabiza ukuthi ama-astrologist. So namhlanje-ke ngizofundisa nje kancane the basics, kodwa sizophinde sibuye. La ku-astrology there are 6 big signs okumele uwazi mawuqala ukufunda nge-astrology. There's a moon, number 1. There's a rising sun, number 2. There's it's a moon and a rising sign, like a sign, not a sun, not rising sun, but a rising sign. And then there's a Mercury, that is the 3rd one. There's Venus, that is the 4th one. There's the Mars. And then futhi mawusuhamba kahle umuntu phecelezi uphethwe uguidwa lezi zihamba phambili lezi ezintathu ngizozisho. The first one ngingasho ngithi there are 3 zodiac signs of in a person ezigada umuntu wena as an individual. The first one is the sun sign ekuguidayo. The sun sign, it represents your ego and also your motivation, what is your ego and what is your motivation as well. And then the second one is the moon that governs your emotions. Yabona, your emotions, your maturity, and nokuthi izinto wena uzi attenda kanjani mazikuhlasela. That is the moon. And then the 3rd one is the rising sun, that speaks to your energy that you put into the world, the energy that you put into everything that you do. Yeah, the rising sun, living cool mangayo. And then siyazi ukuthi abantu ama-star sign wabantu, like as per your birth, ukuthi they are divided into 4. There's the S signs, and then at kulasithola khona ama-Aquarius, ama-Gemini, ama-Libra, and there's the earth signs. Lasithola khona uTaurus, uVirgo, uCapricorn, and there's a fire signs. Lasithola khona uAries, uLeo, Sagittarius, and there's a water signs as well. Lasithola khona ama-Pisces, nama-Cancer, nama-Scorpio. And then ama-S signs, they are very social and friendly, but they can switch at any time if izinto azihambi kahle. And then futhi sigijime futhi siye lapha kuma earth signs, kulasithola khona abantu kwama hard worker kakhulu aba very productive, but they love their own space and they also love to relax. And then sithola ama fire signs. Ama fire signs ahlupha kakhulu ama goal oriented people. I think kumele ngicale enye video ngoba le yangikhatha ama goal oriented people, and abantu bakhona abafuni nokutshela. siphinde sihlangane futhi ya bengisasho-ke ukuthi abantu abantu they are guided as per birth months wabo. They are divided into 4. Bengishilo ngaphambilini ukuthi there's a air signs, ama-air signs kula uthola khona bo-Aquarius, uthola bo-Gemini, uthola bo-Libra, and ama-air signs abantu aba-very social, ngisasho futhi abantu aba-very friendly, and but the trick about them, they can switch that mood at any moment. It depends ukuthi uba atheka kanjani and the situation hamba kanjani. And then uthola ama-earth signs. Kuma-earth signs abantu aba very hardworking and aba very productive, but they love to relax a lot, and abantu abangasi abantu bathola lena they love to stay at home. Lapho kuma-earth sign uthola abantu ama-star signs okuwama-Taurus, uthola ama-Virgo, uthole ama-Capricorn. Labo bantu labo ama-earth signs. And then there are fire signs. Ama-fire signs abantu okuwama-goal oriented people, and abantu bakhona bafuna ukutshelwa, and abantu bakhona like yile abantu bathi mabaqala i-project they don't want to lose. Abantu bakhona nje ama-goal getters, and abantu bakhona they are very bully. I'm sorry to say it, ngiyazi ukuthi they wouldn't like ukuthi ngisho kanjalo, but they are very bully abantu bakhona. And mawubushade umuntu wakhona or partner yakho uyi-fire sign, you are in trouble ngoba abantu bakhona bafuna ukutshelwa everything abayikhulumayo, bafuna ukuthi ibe njengoba injalo. But the nice thing about them, they are very smart, hard worker, and they are goal oriented. Makaqala into kwamele ayicede umuntu wakhona. Lapho ke kuma fire sign uthola abo Aries, uthole iLeo, uthole neSagittarius. And then they are water sign. Oh, those people are very sweet. They are darling. I'm a water sign. They are very sweet. Abathandi impi, abathandi inhlangano, ukudonsisana, and they compromise their happiness ukwenza abanye abantu ukuthi babe happy. Ama-peacemakers, uyayibona into enjalo. However, they've got the yin and the yang. Uyayibona into enjalo. If ubanyathela babekezele baze bakhathala, then you'll see the darker side of them. Ama water signs, they are highly dangerous, but very friendly, and uyakhona nokuthi ukhona ukumreach umuntu wakhona, uyakuvulela isifuba. And abantu bakhona, they are very much giving umuntu wakhona. And ama-water sign, the disadvantage about them ukuthi noma abantu bakhona banemali, akusuka abantu abakhona ukugodla ukuthi baya investor or in, they always give whatever they have, they share. Kodwa bayingozi kakhulu ngoba they also have a darker side of them. Shuthi abantu bakhona, most of them aba-gifted ba-controller abantu bamanzi. Uyabona labantu basemanzini ukuthi banjani, bajabulile kumnandi, kodwa ungabasukeli labo esibabiza ukuthi unkosazana. So ama-water sign anjalo in most cases. And under ama-water sign uthola abantu abanjengo-Pisces, uthole o-Cancer, uthole o-Scorpio. So ku-astrology kumele ufunde into eningi ezenzakalayo, ngoba umuntu mawumphengula endumbeni siyamphengula ngamakhati we-astrology, and ukuthi ukwazi ukuphengula umuntu ngamakhati kumele u-understand everything, the astrology chart, the 3 zodiac signs ezigada umuntu, u-understand ukuthi umuntu if uzalwe ngenyanga so, loyo muntu loyo i-characteristic yakhe umuntu njani. Umuntu makazalwe ngalenyanga so, ufola which group? Is it loyo muntu loyo uyi-fire sign, or is it loyo muntu uyi-water sign, or is it loyo muntu loyo uyi-earth sign, or is it loyo muntu loyo uyi-air sign? And then bese ubuyele lapha ku those 3 zodiac sign, pardon me, ukuthi okay kuma 3 zodiac sign, if umuntu wakhona under the chart of a sun, u-expectani lapho njengoba bengishilo ngaphambilini. If umuntu wakhona under the chart of a moon, u-expectani lapho. If umuntu wakhona under the chart of a rising sign, u-expectani lapho, ngoba noma washova lawo makhati lawo, nawo kumele uye kuye nange-chart yakhe ukuthi umuntu u-expectani kuloyo muntu, kumele kwenzakaleni. This is the part 1 enyenzayo, just an intro. Ngisazobuya mnabi, makhosi.